students. Today we will be studying the geometry of vertical photograph. Okay, so now let us get started. So first of all, look at this diagram. We will start from here A and B. This point is capital A and this point is capital B. These are the object which are to be photographed. Okay, and the photograph camera is here. This is the O point. This is lens. Okay, O is denoted as lens. Here you will see that when this AB point is being photographed and the projection lines are being drawn backward, this projection line is coming to this photograph plane as a small a, this is the positive plane, and as a small b on the positive plane. Positive plane, that is picture plate. Here the photograph will be real. If this A projection line is being tilted till here and from here it is being projected backward to the negative plate, here A1 is being denoted as this A point in the negative plate, and when this B is being projected backward, this B is on the positive plate, this B1 is on the negative plate. These square boxes are the plate. This is the negative plate, also called camera plate, and here the photograph is inverted. You will see that A is here, but A1 and B1 is like this, A1 and B1. Here B is upwards and A is downward. In the real image it is also A and B. B is on the upper side, but in the negative image B is on the lower side because it has inverted image. Okay, and the center axis of the camera, that is called the axis of the camera, is the camera axis. It is passing through the center line. Here it is denoted as K1, here it is denoted as small k, and here it is denoted as capital K. The distance between the lens to the center of the negative plate is called focal length. From lens to the center of the positive plate is called focal length. Small f is focal length. Now let us see the 2D diagram of geometry of vertical photograph. Here the lens is being objected here. Okay, this is also called as exposure station. From exposure station to the negative plate, that is film plate, is the distance is focal length. From the exposure station to the positive plate, the distance is also focal length. This height is from the lens to the datum is called flying height. This is the ground, this is the datum. Datum is MSL, mean sea level. Okay, this is the camera axis. The center line of the camera is called as camera axis. It is cutting down here, so it will be like a small k. This is the principal point. Principal point. If we have to locate this principal point on the ground, then it will be like this, a small k, and this is called principal point on the ground. The camera axis intercept the ground at this point, capital K. Here, look at this diagram. Here you will see the fiducial mark. This is the small triangle is denoted as fiducial mark. It is denoting the edge of the image. If this is in the form of circle, then it is denoted the fiducial center point. Fiducial mark is a set of mark located in the camera, located in the corner or edge or in the center. It is located in the corner, edge or in center or both of an aerial photograph image. These marks are exposed within the camera. It is exposed within the camera onto the original film. These are used to define frame. It is used to define the frame, that this is the frame. Here the photographs end. From here the photograph is not being shown for spatial measurement. Thank you.